Monsta Of My Era. The name of the EP defines me. Remember me that dropped several singles and them just a hit. Chronicler, TJ, Mindset, My Life. So me I say, no man, if me I hit so rapid, and every time I throw out a EP then, cause look like them can't get enough of it. And
Who's most likely to start a family argument and then act like everybody's attacking them?
Don't.
yeah, man.
You nearly made the man choke when you said something about Movado.
But Muscle, your joke, that was not even planned. When we come at the party now, I say, I one out of them two man, I'm going to say, is either me I go choose the gully god or the young lad.
How come we haven't seen you on any other show outside of Freedom Street with Kartel?
May I be honest with you,
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two-Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, this man was here about 9 months ago. We did a podcast. 9 months later, a lot of stuff is happening in his career. He even has a new EP called Monsta Of My Era. You know we have in the building today, we have Nhance in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Yeah, no, father.
I mean, you're good.
Man. Yeah, man.
Welcome back to Toronto again, boss.
Yeah, man, after 9 months, you know, I will leave up in 9 months. Baby
Listen,
born
that's a
in
baby.
9 months. 9 months it take for baby born, you know?
Yeah,
So it's
100%. And you're talking about that. There's a lot of stuff that happened in your career in those 9 months. We just want to catch up before we even get into the EP, because I see you doing launches in Toronto and Jamaica, everywhere. So we're going to get into that just now, but I really just want to catch up with what have you been up to before we even get into the EP.
Yeah, working. And I never want to say work. It's more like a real thing. But yeah, man, we're just working. Yeah.
Because I know that you had a big tour in the UK with you and Intense.
Yeah, man.
How was it to now go into another? Because you came to Canada, big fire, went to another big fire in UK, that's way over there.
Yeah.
What was that like now, going to UK now?
Cool, just like, you know, the first thing we have to highlight. But yeah, man, UK did mad, the vibes did mad, everything. The crowd, the people, them nice. You know, the crowd react to the song them even more than what we did expect to see me. So I don't know. UK did just mad, beer vibes, beer thing.
And I know even, how many shows did you do on the tour?
3 shows.
3.
And I end up did a Cranium's concert.
That's what I was going to tell you.
Man.
I heard he brought you out on his big night.
Yeah. You know, and that show was just full of vibe, you know, full of love. Me enjoyed that show there. The guy was more like a little arena kind of style. You know, and me have the people in my wave like this and time on God. So you know it thing go. Yeah, man.
It was a good vibe over there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Was the UK exactly what you imagined in your head, or was it a slightly different? What was it like when you actually got there now?
All right. It was more than when we did thinking about. I was thinking some Harry Potter kind of thing. But you don't know, me never go over there to see nobody have like on broom, etc. Yeah. But you know, it was just mad. The place was cool. You know, the hotel was nice. You know, the ladies them. You know, body a tea out there and baiting.
Premium.
Yeah, man. So UK was everything and more than I expected. Yeah, man.
No, definitely love to see you out there. And I even seen you linked up with Lady Lava out in St. Kitts.
Lava.
Yeah. How was that now? Because I know her vibe looks like it's so super
Yeah,
crazy.
man. Big up a queen of steam, man. Lava. I'm a killer, I'm a G. Lava, she's a wonderful human being. I spent like a week or so around her.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And it was just fun. Peer vibes. You know, Lava is just different and different in a good way. You know, I love you, Lava. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Because I know you guys did a song also too, you know.
Yeah, night and day. That not drop it still, but I will show the video as well, you know. Beer vibes, video body. So yeah, man, in the time when that song they drop, you know, it plays, so go crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm really interested to hear what type of song Nhance and a Lady Lava, because it's almost like you guys are from two different worlds, but you guys would connect somewhere in the middle. I really want to hear this.
All right. Enhance have what I call them, like reality songs. But Enhance do all different kind of songs, and right now Enhance in the era where the lady them, that's why I give them an EP, and you realize the EP like it only have like one song for the female them, because to the amount of song we plan to give them right about now, it a go just mad. So I just make sure my people them just get them that set a reality song upon the EP and thing.
Yeah.
So me can, when I get the lady them it on a balance, you know.
Start dash out.
Yeah, man. So I start it off with a lava collab. You know the thing go. And you know lava response to the lady them right now. Yeah, man.
No, it's gonna be crazy when that drops. Cause I remember Tigo, when you guys were there, Tigo sent me some of the pictures and stuff. I said, that's a what?
Yeah, man.
I mean,
Yeah.
it was definitely a big look. Again, as I said, 9 months we talked, been to the UK, linked up with Lava and St. Kitts. Another thing I seen you do that was really special, boss, was buying your mom a car. What was that like now, really saving up and saying, you know what? This is what I want to do for my mom. What made you decide to buy your mother a car, boss?
Because that's mama. You know? Yeah, man. And if you love your mother like me, you love my own. You know? I'm a good mother that type of.
Yeah.
So I have to do them things for my mother, because you don't know my mother. And she come first. You know, the only person with in front of mama I got. Yeah, and I said I say, different from that. And mommy first, second and third. Favor and ever, amen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what was it feeling like now, seeing her face when you actually brought her to the car and said, yo, are you this? What was that feeling like in you?
Yeah, I'm heartwarming feeling, man. But my mother be of excitement for every little thing, so I kind of used to her and that. Yeah, and I said to me, I said, because even with my big moments, them like, when me enter the Sunfest stage and, you know, a lot of moments, she be the same way. So, you know, that's mommy that I'm used to her and the excitement and the holy parade.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because it's, you guys, well, at least on the ear, you guys seem like your personality are two different personalities. She, as you said, Sheba loved the ring, the excitement. She's an actor. She's, just hearing her voice makes me laugh.
Yeah,
she
man.
doesn't have to say anything, just her voice alone makes me laugh.
Yeah.
And I mean, but you're just more cool, calm, collective, gather your thoughts, and that's what it seemed like on the ear.
Yeah, man, because you know everything of them two things they put together, man. Same like the AC, it only come with two, you know, options. Either lock it off when the place hot or you turn it on when the place cool. You know, you have the heater, you have the cooler.
Yeah.
You know, in our life, yeah. Same like a battery. You have this side and that side, they come together to make it be one entire thing. So I see with me and mommy. She excitement and me and more.
The yin and the yang.
Yeah.
And I mean, the night and the day.
That is
but they
it.
have to come together to make everything.
Yeah, man. So whole heap of things show you say two opposite things have fought together. So, you know, we are opposite personalities, but you know, we are just the same.
Yeah, no, but when I see you guys interact off here where a lot of people they might not see, what you guys see on here with them phone, it's the same way off here, boss. There's nothing put on, nothing taken off. You guys are the same way. And I just love that vibe that you guys have.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Big up. Last time I spoke to you, Kartel just came out of jail.
Yeah.
You didn't see him yet or anything. What was it like now actually seeing him for the first time? And what did he say to you the very first time he seen you?
Teacher. When we just see him, I don't know, he's an icon of the music with me venturing right now, which is dancehall music. You know, so, and you could say he's the king. You know, I think he's the king, honestly. You know, because of the work we put in and him accomplishment, them, you can't go around that. So, yeah, man. So, for me, if you don't see him before when I'm younger, but yeah, you know, you're younger. So, now that you're grown and you're understanding a level more, you know? Yeah, man, I feel good in myself, you know, so, you know, I could have meet the icon of the dancehall music right now and thing. And when him just fall down, why? I don't remember the first exact thing when he said that. I'll be honest with you, because you know him he's an excitement man too, you know. You know when I say, you know, him just fall down happy and nice people and making him you know, because you know a crowd out there and thing. And when I say him going, he's an entertainer in every way, so yeah, man, I don't remember the first exact thing, but I just remember say when me and him connect up, yeah, man, it was a vibes, you know.
Did he give you any advice about the music business?
Yeah, man. Tell him straight. Never afraid to take risks. You know? Me never really understand him at all, because I say, me not really, and music, me I sing, I don't see the risk in it,
Yeah.
but, you know, slowly me I understand what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And that was something that, as you said, you first didn't understand, but as you went along in your journey, you started to understand, so, okay, this is
Yeah.
what he means.
Yeah, man. Don't, up the line, me start realize what I hear, what I mean by that.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
for sure. And even running out on Freedom Street now, boss, that national stadium.
Yeah.
Even though it was just one song, what was that feeling like? Where I'm in National Stadium with Teacher, with Sheba Tubas. What was that feeling like as
Yeah,
the
man.
young uprising dancehall artist in your
that-
chest?
Wonderful. One word. Many words can explain that, but right now I feel like we use wonderful, you know. And turn out on the Freedom Street place, and you know, from all angle, and when I talk about TVJ, people have mashed up the place, you know. The crowd are real up, so you know, wonderful feeling. I'm glad say me get the chance to experience that, and it was wonderful. Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, being on a stage, especially where a stage that has like 4 different parts you could go, where it's just like a 360 almost. That, me watching you guys on that stage, I felt super happy for you guys. So I could only imagine how you guys felt being there.
Yeah, man, of course. Yeah, man, I'm run up and down to it with the one song when I come out, gonna sing to it and chip in the next one to it. I may have whole heap of, you know, if me find a few, but, you know, yeah, all over a big old stage where you see the and the people, them are real up and may I see some girl, because one thing I never miss the girl, me tell me. May I see some girl a scream for you know, you know, this youth are from Spain town. So, yeah, man, wonderful feeling, man.
Wonderful vibes.
Yeah.
I seen the other day you were on, it was either TikTok or YouTube, and you'd asked a question about bun for bun and money for money. Did you actually get an answer for that question you're asking?
Honestly, most of the female them I say after I say bun for bun, fair enough.
Yeah.
Them not hear nothing else in the video. Them say the video go mute. So me never really get a solid answer, but you know, it makes sense though. You know, cause if me cheat and you say because of that you have to cheat back, and fair enough, then me not fight upon that. So if me give money, you're supposed to give me back money then, and money for money. Because it's only fair enough. But you don't know the woman them stare, them not work with that, right? Yeah, man, them I go against that party.
Bro, you're a personality on when it comes to social media.
Yeah.
Some things I see you post sometimes, it's like, where did this man even think about this in the first time? How we've been hearing about bun for bun a long time. So the fact that you came up, okay, bun for bun, cool. How about money for money?
Yeah, I know, honestly. Sometimes there's some reasoning where you get with your girl. Because your girl have a lot of reasoning, and you know? She has a certain thing, and yeah, me back and I say, yeah, but I give you my money then, so you're supposed to give me back money then, for, you know, if me I go give you bun and you go give me back bun and say, fair enough, then simple as that.
Yeah.
So, you know, me ask a question for you, what other people think about it. You know, the man, them never really say much. Because like, they know what the girl them vex with them, like. But the girl them I say them not hear nothing pass, fair enough. So
we're just stuck at the same place we were in the first place.
Them not even try for debate. You know?
Them? You think them easy? Listen, we know right now you're in Toronto you launched your EP last night in Toronto.
Yeah.
All right? Monsta Of My Era. But I know even before that, in Jamaica at the lot, you would have launched there. People upstairs, downstairs. What was that like to now see people come out to your launch for an EP, you know, bro? 7 songs, you know, it's not an album with 14 and 12, and you as an uprising dancer. What was that feeling like now to see the people come out?
Of course. Joyful feeling, wonderful feeling, you know. At the same time, I feel proud and excited. And honestly, you know, I'm a management, you know, put together a lot because me afraid of the EP thing. I swear to God.
Why you say that?
Because I don't know, me just have a look, you know, in some things how you feel and me it kind of a fear with it. Yeah, that's what I say. But the management make sure it happen and thing, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know, I think go big up St. Kingston. them do the right thing. Big up Sweet Music, you know the thing already. Yeah, man, 3 or 40. So the EP launch now, it was mad. People forward out, the girl them forward out, them in the front row. The G them forward out. You don't know it thing we are performing all a hit song them way. Dep on the EP and thing. And it just did crazy and then, you know, whole vibe. No little boy, man.
We don't know. And who came as artist-wise? Who came out to give you a strength as other artists in the business?
A few. Silbass came out. Joshy came out. Russian. Yeah, all heap of you we are doing now in Jamaica. Melody. A few of them forward out. Missy Mayan upstairs. You understand me? I say Suspense. You know, female artist of Jamaica. Bad. Cranium came.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Cranium forward out, man. Almost if you all of my girl them from EP launch. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the vibes in mad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And the people them are really gravitating towards this project that you had put out.
People. Yeah, man. People them love it, especially the big energy and the sometimes you know I see nobody at all. You know? You see that song they have the place are going right now. It's trending on TikTok. You know, people might use the sound. Everybody asks when me I drop it. Yeah. The big energy I mash up the place too. You understand me? I say I don't know mama. Them know my mother thing that's everybody love them mother, you know. But most people, anybody don't love them mother but you know. So yeah man. EP I mash up with man.
The name of it, Monsta Of My Era. What
Yeah.
was the thinking that went behind that name, and why did you figure right now in your career is a time that now I should put out a project, a body of work?
Alright, here we go. Remember me that dropped several singles and them just a hit. Chronicler, TJ, Mindset, My Life. You understand me? I say greatness, unstress, dog them. So me I say no man, if me I hit so rapid, you know every time I throw out a EP then and cause it look like them can't get enough for Enhance and then not get enough for Enhance and Enhance not get enough for one either. You understand me I say? So yeah man, we just filling out the EP management to say a time and me I say a time too. And you don't know the name, Monsta Of My Era, me that. After nobody else. No local boy. And me I do the right thing, so you know the thing go. Monsta Of My Era. The name defines me. The name of the EP defines me. So if you go up on the internet and type in what's the meaning for Monsta Of My Era, you go see Enhance. And if you type in the meaning of Enhance, them all change the first meaning and put it one side. And put Monsta Of Fame Era.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you know it thing go.
And you know what's interesting about this body of work here too? 7 songs, but there's no collaborations on it.
Yeah.
Why isn't there any collaborations on the EP?
To be honest, a few collabs was there, you know. Because I remember when we first advertised the EP, right? I said collabs are going there on it. But, you know, on my first EP, most people that do it with collab, you know, Enhance thing always go different. So me just remove the collab them and we link all of my friend them and give me the collab them and tell them, say, look, I shot them as a single, I probably would have circle back with a fast EP again. But for that one here, more of the people them here with Enhance, if you say, cause, you know, being the fact say, me hardly really say nothing. Like, you don't really get me talk, but when we do talk, it makes so much sense. Yeah, so more of them hear my voice, they come more hear what me I say right now. Hear everything what I go and everything what them want to know. Remember, everybody, you know say Enhance and him mother, you know. So mama they there for that. They don't know. We make them know what I go and know. So a big energy. And that way I keep up when they're on the phone and shoot nobody right now. You don't know. Stay to myself. I just me that on a whole. Yeah, and I say them I say roll. I just saw we roll, you know. I be man a Benz, I saw we roll. Haters them have a depot page and I keep scroll. So you know it thing already. And then we have every day. And every day just tell you every day. You know everything go every day. So you know, and that's a reason with the people. I'm more of a reason in the EP, you know. Yeah, it's far beyond even song a reason. You know, me and my people them a reason.
Just holding the vibes with them, which would make sense. If you're saying that's how it was, it would make sense where you said, okay, no collabos, let me go on my own basically.
Yeah.
So the people them could hear me talking. You see, after they hear me talking with all the reasoning,
yeah,
then we're gonna whap them with all the collaborations.
with the collab, you know the thing also. We just make them go on all the reasoning with me. You know, cause enough people there them hard and I say, Enhance and them mother. I'm real to them rule no really. No hearing that. So Enhance I just tell them. So me and everybody can get to sit down in them house and reason. So I'm drop the song then when we can reason with everybody, you understand? Yeah man.
And keep it a vibe from there. Definitely. 7 songs, banger songs. 2 songs that, for me personally,
Yeah.
was Suicidal Love. Where I want, that's the name of the song, right?
Yeah man. Suicidal Love.
Suicidal Love.
Yeah.
For me, I'm saying this is the first time I really pre a dancehall song that had a song something like that, Suicidal Love.
Yeah.
Where did you have to go inside of your brain to really come up with a song like, and then the visuals, that was like a mini movie. How did you come up with all of that there?
Well, we just have a modest team.
Yeah.
You understand? And that's that. So the team, we just have a modest team. The team put together the video and boost the video. And it song itself I tell a story. Yeah, the song itself I tell a story. So I never have to really go far in my brain for come up with a song there because, I basically sing about my life. And whole heap of G them run my life too. You understand them I say, and them female them have to do the gangster them. You understand? So even the female them can relate the same way. The gangster them are relate to what go on. Suicidal Love, what better name? There's no better name could I get. You understand them I say? Monsta way, the gangster way.
Because if you even look at it, our suspense is in the video too.
Yeah.
I like how it was, as in you had actors at the beginning where they're dealing with the parents don't want you as, what did they call you? They call you some
Ghetto-cratic boy. Yeah man.
They didn't like you at all, bro. They had the next man there that with the flowers and stuff. He said, yo, that's not what she wants. You understand?
Yeah.
It's you she wants. And then you guys went in, and then the end now where the man said, yeah, don't worry, I got something for him. He's going to send the police on the ends.
Yeah.
But when he came to the ends now, it was just tin mackerel and Akan saltfish and some flour that he's seen. After the man and wrap up, I said, that, now you're thinking, boss.
Yeah man. So it going in real life man. Yeah man.
Nah, man, that one that much bad. You're going to be the first. I've done about almost 500 episodes. You're going to be the very first guest that I'm going to threaten. All right?
Yeah.
You see the song Mama?
Yeah.
If I do not see you and Sheba in that video, don't come back to my place here.
I guess we are gonna be here back then. Yeah man.
Because it's, to me, that's the, okay, people been asking when are you guys going to do the collab together and stuff. But to me, this is the perfect time to introduce her as the actor in the video. That's how I seen the vision.
Yeah. We are see it too. So yeah, I guess your glasses now have nothing for we. Cause we are see it too, yeah man. We see the vision too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be putting out, because 7 songs, the only one that has visual right now is Suicidal Love?
Yeah.
Okay, so then are you going to be putting visuals for the other 6 or just some of them are going to get visuals?
Yeah man, some of them. Probably all of them, probably some of them. But Big Energy, I drop a visual for that definitely. I think like tomorrow Friday.
Okay.
Yeah man, with the boss it you see.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and stay to myself, I drop a visual for that as well. You know? Probably all of them get the video, you never know. Yeah, and I say them I say. Yeah man, remember we not lack and slack on work, you know. We get the people them what them want, what them need. You understand, I don't know thing go. So yeah man, probably all of them.
Are you going to be filming any visuals while you're up here?
In Canada here?
Yeah.
Probably. The last time I was here, I did a video with KB.
The secret.
Yeah man.
You guys did it up here.
Yeah, but unfortunately, we don't know exactly what happened, but you know, we never get to release that one. But we know that video they would have been so shot.
I didn't realize that was filmed up here though.
Yeah, man. No, the one we released in a film here, but the first version of it was filmed here. You know. So I never get to release that one. The other one never did I like that one. The whole story behind it, the whole concept of that one. Yeah, the new one is also shot too. So big up JV.
Definitely. What do you want people, after they listen to the EP, watch the visuals and stuff coming, what do you want them to leave with in their mind about this EP? Something, either learn something. What is it that you want the people to leave?
Alright, honestly. I don't want them to leave with nothing. I want them to stay with everything. You understand me? I say, what I want them to stay with still.
Yeah.
Stay with how Enhance put effort in his work. To make sure that the supporter them have nice music to consume. He don't run your belly or none of that. You understand me? I say, yeah man, so just stay with Enhance. Stay with the Monster. Stay with the Monsta Of My Era EP. And I won't leave either. Alright?
Yeah.
Love my fans, them, I'm not cheat. You know it, man.
Definitely. And as I said, you did the launch in Jamaica. You came up here last night. You did the launch in Toronto.
Yeah.
How was the launch in Toronto? Why did you guys choose Toronto now? Say, okay, this is where we're going to launch right here.
Alright. Boy, we love the whole Canada, you know. But you don't know Toronto vibe. You know? You know, that Jamaica that. You understand me? I say, yeah man, so we just have to do it at Toronto. You don't know anything. That it didn't matter too. You know, people them forward out and the whole vibe and you know the girl them outside for me see them and be a thing as yeah, that's I'm glad this time the place is so cold. Cause them get to
Summertime.
dress up for me. Cause dress up for me, you know. Yeah, man, I let them do last night, man. Them just the ladies were looking so beautiful at my EP launch. Oh God, I love Toronto. The G them forward out to see them and you know, the vibe did mad. Yeah, man.
You plan on doing any more launches anywhere else? Is that a secret or you're what's the deal moving forward?
I mean, I keep that a secret because I remember we fly so often.
Yeah.
You know, as soon as I left here, I forgot Guyana. So, you know, I probably just drop one Caribbean for the people on the outside of Jamaica, same way. You understand me? I say, yeah, man.
Definitely. Is this your first time going to Guyana?
Yeah.
What are you going to expect in Guyana? You know Guyana, listen, places that's mad. Guyana, Trinidad, Antigua, and clearly Jamaica too. But those places there in particular, and like Grenada and St. Vincent, them places are mad. What are you expecting in Guyana when you get there?
The unexpected, man.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man. I know it got loud because Guyana been a try to get we for a long while now. But you know, most of the date them we always book for them date there. Yeah, and same like Sands and Chugget and certain party when them call we always have to either with it on a flight or you don't take a show. So we finally get that guy on a show. Yeah, I'm wanting to say we'd have to cancel a show and take the guy on a show and we'd have to explain to the promoter, say, look, I've never been to Guyana. Yeah, understand what I say? I need to go there. They're always trying to get to me. Trinidad the same. So I know Guyana got mad. Take a body, take a shot. Yeah, man.
No, definitely 100%. Even the rollout of this EP here, who decided to come up with the pictures, even having the QR code and all of that stuff? How did you guys come up with all of that?
Alright. I get all up to management. You understand? St. Kingston. Tigo. I call him name, him not like when the name get called. But I have to call it. Him come up with all of that. Nobody else and I can't take that from him. You know, him have him, where they call it, film look a team. With Bernard, big up yourself, Bernard, when you watch this. Yeah, with G, Nashi. You know, all of him and him college, whole heap of smart people come together. And when I see QR code, I say, whoa, it's expensive. Yeah, that's what I say. It's up to. So it's just a digital EP. Yeah, man. You know the thing. So them come together and put it together. Monsta Of My Era, the digital EP. Yeah, man. And I just have to give a whole lot of credit there to them. And them make all it possible. Big up Red Bull and give a great sponsor. Everybody who play a part in the Monsta Of My Era, the whole lineup of the EP and the EP launch and everything, may I have to give them a big thank you.
Yeah, man. No, listening to it, you could see that this body of work solid. And even when you read the comments right now, a lot of people are saying this is the best EP for the year right now, you know, boss.
Yeah, man. Because as what I tell you, is a reasoning. You know, several different topics where everybody I wonder about, you know, and it's just reason with the people and put it. So, you know, them I feel it. And you don't know anything. But from them I feel it, that's all that matters. Nothing else no matter. Yeah, man.
And where could they check out the EP and all of that good stuff?
Every single way. Every single way. Apple Music, EP, this, that, Audio Mac, YouTube, everywhere. Go all over. Go and purchase it now. You understand me? I say it not cost a lot. It might cost you, but it's not a lot. So, you know, go and do the right thing, you know. Feel happy spending your money. You understand what I say? Because this EP right now, the only thing where you can consume better than the EP right now is water.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And then it's just for wash it down and cool it down to it hot. You understand what I say? So this is a full course meal. You get all them songs, you know, you digest them, you just drink some water. You know, to cool them down because them steaming. Different from that, belly full, you go to bed, you sleep, you wake up, wake happy. That's what the EP is about.
Yo, rude boy, you're full of chat and style, you know, boss.
Yeah, that's why the girl them love me. You know it good.
Boss, you think easy, but yo, listen, we're not getting him out of here yet. We have a surprise coming up right now. We're going to do some camera magic, and you're going to see a surprise in this seat right here. Don't go nowhere right now. All right, guys, as I told you, we have a very special guest. This is really a very rare opportunity. You see them a lot on social media, Instagram, TikTok, and stuff. They might have done, I think, one other interview. You've seen them together. But here in Toronto, Canada, this is the very first time that they're here in the studio together. We have Gaza Sheba. What's going on there, my sister?
Hey, what up, Muscle? I'm here.
Welcome back.
Yes, thank you. Did y'all miss me?
Listen, we missed you because you see, last year, the funny thing with it, both you guys, you last year was my highest guest. You did over 100,000 views.
Oh,
and
thank
for the
you.
newer crop of artists, Nhance, he was basically the number one guy also. So then this was a big deal to now actually have both you guys back in the
Yeah.
studio here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then now, since both you guys are here, I'm going to play a little game with you guys because you guys seem to like to play a lot of games on the internet. So I said, okay, let's play some games in real life with these two right here, all right? This game here is called Who is Most Likely To, all right?
Okay.
And then with this game here, when I ask a question, it's either you're going to point to him or you're going to point to yourself. Same with you. So you guys are doing it simultaneously, all right? Good to go. All right. So the very, very first one here is, all right, who is most likely to start dancing in the middle of the street, music or no music? Sheba, what is your go-to dance move then?
The little one where me still can't catch your name. Where you go, you move to the side, so.
You know it.
Dirt bongs. Dirt bongs, but me not fully catch it, so I dust bongs.
Yeah, dust bones, not the dirt.
Yeah.
Just the dust. All right, so then clearly you're the one that would dance anywhere, all right? Who is most likely to forget the lyrics on stage and do a freestyle like nothing happened?
I mean, you do that.
Him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is usually, why would you say you'd usually, is it something that usually happens or it'll happen now and then?
Now and then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every time I get more song, I forget it. Sometimes I forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But a great artist is able to freestyle and just do it right off the top of their head.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? All right. Who is most likely to show up late to a performance and act like they're early? Like nothing happened.
Oh, act. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Why you like that, Sheba?
I don't know. DNA something. I don't know.
Boss. Okay. All right. Who is most likely to drop a freestyle in the supermarket when they're shopping?
Who him? No, that more you coming to like the sing business.
Me not go supermarket.
So that one the anonymous.
Yeah.
That one is scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we more dancing at the supermarket, but not drop a freestyle.
Okay. All right. Who is most likely to start a family argument and then act like everybody's attacking them?
Don't.
Yeah, man.
I'm not buy that one day.
Why you like that, Sheba? You seem like you're a troublemaker, you know.
I'm
Yeah,
not.
man.
Me a troublemaker?
Give whole heap of problem.
You could see it.
No, me not buy that one day either.
Whole heap of problem. She with that one day. Yeah, man. If my little sister is
Enhance,
there, she
I
not tell
believe
me.
you. I believe you, my brother. All right.
Because them must say it from a kid's point of view, them not see it from an adult point of view.
Oh, that's your way of saying it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I kind of believe you, but not really, though.
You're a parent, right?
Don't worry about me. You're on the hot seat right now.
Well, me just tell us, say, if you're a parent, you understand why them are going to say me.
Yeah.
Because them always say, mommy, miserable for this or miserable for that, because that's just kids.
As you said, the last part of the question.
And then act like everybody's
Yeah, man.
attacking her.
Yeah, man.
After she's the miserable one.
Yeah, man.
Got you.
That
All
is it.
right. Who is most likely to run from a lizard in the house? Yo, you're failing at this game, you know.
Yeah, man.
Everything is you.
Because you're not asking winning question. Start asking some winning question.
Yo. All right. Okay. Who's most likely to cry during a movie or a show?
I feel shake, I'm not
I
cry.
don't really do the
I'm
cry.
not cry.
But we get agitated and angry and mad.
But not cry?
Yeah, me ball a little bit. But not enough.
Me, a comedy more
No,
straight.
Yeah, so,
They have a different pick of movies, so my movie them not really consist of a whole heap of
yeah, me
yeah,
not watch
more
me
like-
with more action
yeah.
and comedy. But if me pass through 1 and 2 like suspense or
Yeah.
drama movie, it would
Right.
trigger like something, no much.
They are more comedy.
Yeah.
Series, right? Marty.
And
Yeah,
the
that's the- yeah,
Jamaican
man.
play
That's-
and something
yeah.
that
That's your thing.
oh yeah.
Got you. Okay. Who is most likely to get mad, post something on Instagram, and then delete it a couple minutes later? Okay, so now you're owning it. You're
Yeah.
owning it now.
Yeah.
Sheba, why you like that, Sheba?
I don't know. Month of me born, me no know. I can't tell you.
You're a problem. Okay. Who's most likely to spend all their money on shoes and clothes?
Me. Yeah, man. Louis V.
Yeah.
That's like him.
Why you like that, Enhance?
Yeah?
Why you like that?
Because he's a
am I-
fashionista.
Yeah, man. That thing, me just, one of my love language, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You understand me?
Shoes and clothes.
Yeah, oh, and jewelry.
Okay. All right.
Me
You
love-
spend your last.
Yeah, me love shoes
Nah, me
and
last.
clothes too, but me thinking got harder.
Yeah.
Like me won't buy the Louis and all of them something I want fancy. Me rather one shirt for it might cost 1,000. Me rather get 5 shirts for the same price. So
Yeah. All right. Last one here I have for you. When it comes to your artistry, who would be most likely to bust big international, like on BET, Grammy, wireless festivals, and all that between the two of you guys?
To worry.
both of us.
Yeah, man.
So you guys finally, no, you guys agreed on a couple, but this is the one where you guys put yourself each in the situation and works for both of you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, because well, him talented enough to reach on that level and that platform, and I've already been there. So, but I said both of us, because me not see him lesser than this, so because him definitely have the potential and the talent and the drive for reach right there, so.
And yeah, man. She talented to just see, man. She already have a song them where you know, tear down the arena them, you know, see Kartel over there. When him say, you want him there.
Yeah, and remember me already been
And
on
then yeah, the
BET
whole
too,
entire
so.
crowd, and then she go beat already and
Yeah,
something, so
so-
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, okay. Last, so I said that was the last, but this is really last. This isn't really who's most likely. This is more of a proud moment. Enhance, what was your proudest musical moment for your mother where you say, this is the proudest thing I've ever seen my mom do? And then the same thing for you, Sheba, the proudest moment for Enhance. Either one could go first.
For me, Freedom Street, because that's like the only time me ever see her perform. I see her perform before, but you know, it was like, it wasn't
Regular.
like she had gonna stage show or nothing. She really not even like gonna stage show. Yeah, that's so. Freedom Street, me really get to see different. When I watch on TV for years, and you know, me never there get invited because of age. You know, so yeah, man.
Yeah.
Freedom Street. Yeah.
And Sheba, your proudest moment.
All right, my proudest moment at the first show him do at Canada, the one where we did pop up and surprise him. Like that at the first show me actually come and said, damn, my son has grown in music. Like me literally from this so me see him on a lot of big, you know, international platform like this. So me actually not all right. I always see him as a artist, but mostly my son. Like my child, but right there And that first show is when I actually acknowledge that I'm so, but him stepping on him own. You understand? It's just like that's the proudest moment. Like that I'm wanna make go down in a history moment. Like watching him. And the fact why me think it come out like that because he didn't know I was there. So it was like full display of himself. Him just 100% into himself. It's not like him have to shield some kind of my mother the year or you know him just fully in him element and like me stay down in the crowd and really I watch my son and I'm like, damn, like my son gonna go places. Like, you know, let me see the type of house we like and them could sort me.
You start plan up.
Yes, because we're like, the son I got big in this thing. Like, he's gonna be big. That's my proudest
That was
moment.
proud. I know I told you that's the last one. Could I ask one more? You guys okay if I ask one more?
Yeah, man.
You okay, Nhance, if I ask one more?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know me never
All right.
problem.
I see you guys always linking, you guys consider like each other your best friend and all that stuff. What's one thing that you love about each other and one thing that you would change that you can't stand?
All right. Me go first for that one now. All right. Me love the fact say him keep me grounded in a some sense. Right? For instance, when I want an honest opinion of whatever me I do, and me feel like nobody now go give me them full like honesty or the truth about it. Like him now go sugarcoat it. I'll even if me go bex and kiss me teeth and as I say a cup or whatever, touch out tantrum, him still I go make me know say this is this or that is that. So me love that about him. Like that's the one of the aspects me can say me can see him as my best friend as because me can ask him advice and stuff for me can't ask nobody else and them me know say me will give me true and raw and from why no? That's it. But the one thing when me can't tell say me totally hate with him. But then if me alone have that problem here, but sometimes him not telling like, all right, you know, kids love act like them born long before you, parents, so them know everything. You can't tell them nothing. So him have some other traits about him where me not too dig, and I think him have a little bit of narcissistic trait too. Where me and him we both head regular for that because I think I have a little bit of narcissistic trait too. So that's like two. Yeah, we just clash sometime, but that's it really. I mean, I have no much problem with him.
Got you. And Nhance,
Yeah.
one thing you love about her, and one thing you can't stand, you would really change it.
I love the fact that she's a mother. You don't know. That cover everything. You know, I love the fact that she's a mother and a mother is a mother. Anybody can have, any female can have a youth in a body. And all of them can be a mother. You understand what I say? So it take all in for be a mother. Different from that. My mother think through, what I like now, she think through age. She just always have to right and nothing can wrong. Once she say the first thing you got hear, who born first, there first, this, that. So I just, that's my only problem. Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, man. And then if she find out so she wrong, she still I go tell her say, well, I change, cause very. Yeah,
No one day
but, yeah, man.
It changed. It's not me. The thing changed. It wasn't me.
But that's true because everything upgrade as you know when we know it from one way. For instance, the maths where we didn't know where we are learn a primary with them. You get what I'm saying? So and I'm me wrong. I them change the times.
Oh, I get you. Listen, that's the end of our game here. Thank you so much for playing this game, the two of you guys. Because as I said, on social media, you guys' vibe is always so crazy, always so nice. It's always to see a good mother-son relationship. Nhance, before I get you out of here, leave some contact information where they could check you out on social media, where they could follow you. If there's anything you want to say, anybody you want to big up, say it right now before I get you out of here.
Alright, yeah, man. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Anywhere you want to find me, just type in Nhance. On Instagram, it's Nhance, Monsta Way. Yeah, everything else, Nhance, music. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up my team. You know, big up the management. Big up Sweet Music. Big up St. Kingston. Big up 3 or 40. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. few of my friend them want shout outs. Big up skill dog. Akka, you know the thing go. Yeah, that's what I say, talent. All the people them do with me every day, you know the thing go. Job boy, big up yourself. You're there for one day, we do the right thing, so. You know the thing go. Big up my mother. Big up the Most High Almighty. God, you know?
Definitely. Thank you so much for pulling up again. As I said, it was 9 months. I could see in another 9 months there would be so much more growth again.
2 baby born that now, you know? Yeah, man.
Hopefully next time it's not just musical, it's in real life. You catch me?
Yeah?
Hopefully it's not musical, but in real life next time.
We are up 2 different things.
No, we're not.
But yeah, man. Anything for go on, go on.
Anything.
All right, my father. Big up yourself, man.
All right. Big up. As I said, that was the game that we played with Nhance and Sheba. Funny, excellent. And again, I always like to see what's inside of people's mind and how they see. You see them operate online and stuff, but I want to know how they operate when the cameras are off. And hopefully they gave us a little insight to what's going on. So now, my good friend again that really gave us the biggest views last year, Sheba, she's back in the chair. What's going on, Sheba? How you doing?
I'm fine. Hi, viewers. Miss y'all.
What I've seen is, when you did the interview with us, you did a couple more. You did like with Fix and a couple more. And it's like you were on fire. People just love to hear you reason. You have a different set of reasoning.
Let me be honest with you, you know. You like the reasoning. You like the realness, but the rest of them just love the mix up. Because them know when my mouth bust it can't. Yeah, so them like ask and them know them are gonna get the real truth and the real answer. So that's what them really like. Yeah.
No, because I heard you say something like, if you don't want people to know something, don't tell a girl from Spanish Town, because Spanish Town girl coming like wall fridge, we don't want nothing.
You know all nothing. Yeah. So if you don't want no truth, if you want somebody to be a hypocrite, don't come over here with it. Me's not that type. Me never bad, me not structured that way that never come in my DNA. So if you're not, boy, me no know ya. Me hold somebody's secret.
Yeah.
Me just not keep none for myself.
You're different. Listen, we just had Nhance right here, all right? One of the videos that I seen with you guys that really, really, really loved was when he bought you the car and brought you that car. What was that feeling seeing your son, little Neil, that you grew up from a baby, now he turned into a big man, to actually buy you a car from doing something that he loves, which is music?
All right, I not even know how to describe the feeling. All right, I was ecstatic and very much excited, but I had knowledge that he was about to buy me a car. I just never know when, because him always tell me, Mommy, I go buy you a car, I go buy you a car, I go buy you a car for your birthday. Okay. But remember, for my birthday, I was here. Right, I think that's the same time at the same time when I come to the interview. And then, you know, because some little things that go on, so I was like, maybe it don't look like the car going to happen, because I did go back home, and you know, when I see him really pull up with the car, like, you know, afterward and say, here's a belated birthday gift, like, I feel glad, like, me not even can explain, because any mother, especially when you were a single mother, when you do it by yourself, and if it comes to say your child appreciate you to that level where them say, okay, me I put in the work and me I make money, and this is what I want to do for you. Like, this is my thanks to you. I mean, you know, cover everything, but it's a start. You understand? Like, boy, me can't explain the feeling.
Yeah.
Me can't about, me happy. You want to see how me drive around and blow on? I blow on for the, I blow on, you see?
Yeah.
But I was there feeling excited, and I was there feeling good. And then people want to downplay it, because it's not like they want to take one mile like a drive from it, because it wasn't no high-end vehicle, no brand name, no big name. But the thing is, as you can see, my son knows me. He knows me is not a fancy girl. Me's a simple person. As much as I'm out there, I'm really a simple person. I could have get. Because the first thing when him discuss, when him did ask me about the car, he was thinking of buying a BMW.
Okay.
Him send the picture to his manager. The manager say, you know your mother not go on this. Catch first and foremost.
Yeah.
me love money, me just not like spend it. You understand? And you know, so the BMW, them and the Benz, them and the Crown, them and the wall of them, the, you know, one wheel alone a stress. If none happen, one wheel a stress.
Wheel,
Engine,
gas.
everything. Me not like that. Me not like that. The lower me can keep my budget, the better for me. You understand? Me love my car, because you say, well, once me full that tank there, me drive night, me drive day. And it not require it. That's it.
You like
me
it?
like that. If the tire bust, me not fear think if I go broke my back to buy nothing. Like, I like it.
Yeah.
Me love it. And me appreciate it.
I think sometimes people see that your son is doing music, oh, he should have got you a Benz, a Land Rover or something. But if you like this, you shouldn't dictate to me what I should get or what.
Exactly. But
You didn't give him money, say, hey, go buy me a car. He knows what you're like, and this is what he brought you. He knows this is going to make you happy. People are going to cuss and say all this, but nobody ever
but
stopped to say,
that's
are
the
you
thing.
happy?
Remember, he was about to buy me a high-end brand, right? But he knows I'm not the flashy. You notice, all right, look at me compared to him. You
Yeah.
notice him, love him. He not the Louis him, he not the DC him. It's all about the jewelry. He's more the fancy one. Me love dress up.
Yeah.
But me not fussy. Like, me do things to my comfort and my liking.
Cheap and clean.
Like, exactly. Not that, because some people will mistake it, say, you know, have the money. You have the money if you do it. But as I said, me like, have the money. Me not like spend it. You understand? Unless me see fit where to spend. So, that's just that. And remember, after him buy me the car, him go and buy a BMW again afterward for himself. So, that for sure, say, him could have did buy me a BMW.
Yeah.
But he knows, so if he probably buy me a BMW, I'm going to be thankful, but I'm going to be complaintive also, because I'm like, you know, the money they could have cut in half and buy two of the car and me take one go run taxi and one go do something else. Like, that's just me. So I appreciated it, because at the end of the day, I'm glad my son buy me it. I'm very happy. Talk to man before I could have did buy me car, but I not think it would have feel the same. Like, I not think I appreciate it like how I feel because I'm a son.
For sure.
Buy it for me. So, yeah, I could get that out of the way. And big him up on more blessings. I'm a pray harder for him now.
For sure. Because I know, but then again, you know, there's always some Debbie Downers. When you got the car and you said this is the first thing that it was either you said or he said something like, this is the first thing you're getting. You didn't get anything out of music, and you're happy that your son bought you a car out of music. And then you've seen people, then you know, Gaza Nation, they just showed up and start cussing already. What was that feeling like, knowing that this is my son doing this for me, but then there's people here that's going to start cussing because they don't really understand how things work?
All right. You see, me in this era now, or this life now, where there's a thing called age and growth. You see, the older you get, the more you need for business with people. Like, people talk, and me just listen to them talk. Me never feel the need for come address them, or me never. And like one time when me did big and careless and feel like I cuss and did hungry and did broke. You notice me get like a weight, and I said, look a weight. So, me not hungry. So, a hungry man is a angry man. So, back then when me did hungry, me that come cuss and something. But me know what me know right now. Him know what him know. We, in our circle, people outside, them can talk and people aga talk. Because at the end of the day, not everybody want to see you happy. Sometimes people feel say you have to live through them. You understand? They don't understand say your life or your life. Whatever that for them fancy is not going to be lived through you. So me hear everybody attack and whatever nation attack. Remember, me I don't think me ever put my mouth aground and talk this, but me really never seen no money in the music. Me thought that before, who want vex, who want kill up themselves, but I don't. It's the fact. If I had seen money out of music, people would have known. Now, the thing is, when I say that, people automatically choose to put the blame on somebody. Me never say, nobody make me not see money out of music. I said, I never see it. Now, one, whenever I talk about royalties, I never understand the whole royalties thing. Me never understand. Me literally go up on live and people ask me, oh, you know, I make no money, you know, I get royalties. I said, I don't understand how that go.
Okay.
Now, me saying that, them come with it again, twist it again, and say, Vybz Kartel never give me no royalties. I never said that. I said I never get none because I don't know what it's about. Now, fast forward a couple of years after I said that, me realized, say, there's a difference between writers' royalties and performance royalties. Now, the thing is, I never signed up for my performance royalties because me speak publicly, so me not understand how it go. Me never know how it go. Now I understand, so I realize that, okay, I was not being paid royalties because I didn't sign up for my portion of the royalty. Right? So me in the process of doing all of that right now. Okay. But as I said, people just like to find something for nitpick and for cuss and for complain and for murmur about. But me get too old in a life now for really pay them no mind. Anything them say right now, if them go on the media and say, Sheba say rat fever cat, me just work with it. Me would double down panic too and say yes and not say to the rat did stamp a cat. Because like
you don't have time at this point.
No, me live enough now and everybody live reach my age and me thank God every day when me live to see next year. So me not have time to be up with people where first of all the level when me depend some of them not reach. So why the hell me I go keep on? No, me not have time for that. You see, growth, as I said, age and growth teaches wisdom with it, a lot of things. People even come on the net when me I do my life and I say me get boring because one time I used to do this. That's one time. One time I never have the age when I have now. I not go say I not go behave 1 and 2 times like my head still not functionable. Yeah, 1 and 2 times. You understand?
But not every day.
Yeah, you gotta get up with the same loose thing. Like I'm a grown woman now. Yeah. I gotta do little stuff. I gotta show you how them people are wicked. The other day, I do my life, you know. Nice little life, just I cook me little food in my kitchen, you know. You understand? And my husband come home from work and just pass and you know gimmicks me in the life. You know I see them put on the live. Sheba exposed because she and young boy are the backers. Don't laugh, muscle it. See. So I'm like, expose what? Me in the kitchen I cook?
Yeah.
Like these people just find things and then the comments pan top like people not actually watch the video and was on the live. Oh, she not a class, she not a standard, she not a decorum. I'm like, now one time would I cost everybody under there and send them up under which part the sun don't shine. I'm just see it, I'm like laugh it through because at the end of the day, I say, but me know what did that happen? So why me pay them people of mine? Right? And some of them really miserable in them elements. So they have to find somebody for really channel the miserableness different too. You get what I'm saying?
So you could join them in their misery also.
Yeah, so misery love company. I mean, not have no time for me miserable because even though as much as me not like the belly, where I come, me love the weight. You get what I say? Me like look good in my clothes though. Me like full out. So why me I gonna make people pull me down? I've already been to their level. And me I try to take myself out of that. And some people don't like that. They don't like when you're growing. You understand them like when they're just stuck in a one mentality and one level with them. And I realize that now. So now whatever them put on the internet about me, I care zero. I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna live. Right?
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning, me I go miserable myself because of people, and if me drop down dead tomorrow, when me go knock on God's front door now, and God say, oh, you come here look so sad, and never that me put up on earth for do. Like, when me I go say, Father God, you know, say them people, I did that talk things about me, and boy, me not even, no. No. More live my life every day to the fullest. More make me happy, do I make me happy, like, that's it. That's just it.
You're in a happy place right now, and that's what's working. You see your son doing what he likes to do. You're in a nice relationship where everything's working out for you. You're happy. You know what I mean? When was the last time somebody say, yo, Sheba, are you happy? That's all. Am I happy, bro?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm content. But I want a little bit more money. I'm not telling
you and this money.
Because every girl want money.
I don't know who's worse. You are Macadamia, but yo, you guys love money.
No, man. Macadamia say money or me say more money. There's a difference. There's a difference. You get what I say? So the thing is, no, but I'm just being real though.
100%.
I'm contented with where I am, but that don't mean me can't go further. Me can't excel, which I plan to. You get what I'm saying? So me not stuck myself on the level, cause as me say, me account no reach the whole heap of bag of zero them like what Jay-Z them have and them people there. So me still not really reach them one, but I'm contented with where I'm at. I'm comfortable and I'm happy with where I'm at.
Yeah.
You understand? Me not go stuck there, but at least as something me know so when me go to bed at night time, yeah, me can say, Father God, thank you for today. Today me could have buy one superlicious food or me could have do something. You get what I'm saying? Things that I could not have done back then. So me thankful, very grateful. I understand I'm pray more, I realize I'm praying more. You pay attention to the negativity less. Yes, I'm stand firm
sure.
in my prayer right now. That's my thing there.
For sure. Last time I seen you, Cartel just came out probably a month or two. You didn't get to see him yet. What was it like now, the very first time you seen him? What was that vibe like, that conversation, everything, the very first time you back Cartel?
May I tell you the truth? It's like, me still in shock mode. Like, me I see the person, and me I deal with the person, me I talk to the person, but one part of my mind still I tell me say it's just not the person.
It's a dream or something.
Yeah, like me in disbelief. Still, if you don't me I talk to him, me I hug him up, me I hold him hand, we I converse, we I talk about all days and the whole. Me still couldn't fathom say he's here because for 13 years, me been waiting till me wait out a patient. One of the time, me nearly give up. Me have my little struggles that I go through, been through all of that. And like, every day me hear the same thing, like the same verdict. And then if you know, say he was out, really out. Me never come to reality of it until literally couple months after.
Okay.
May I tell you the truth? Couple months after when it's so keen, say yes, him there, him out. Cause one of the time I tell him it's going and me even I think to myself, I wonder if I want clone. Even if I want clone, they sell out cause okay, I really him there.
Yeah.
Like I really him.
After so long.
Yeah, like and we never had no conversation or so it did take a little time for soaking. Even though people say me there on with him and me this with him is like it's still in my back of my mind it was a disbelief for me.
Yeah.
Say him out. Like now when I see him there out and about and I do whatever, I can say yes, all right, him out, and him outside, him not inside.
Yeah.
So yeah, but and it was a really happy feeling. I don't know how I'm take it pan film end, but as I said, pan my end, talking to him, but me still in a disbelief. Months it take for soaking and say he's here.
He's here,
Yeah.
live and in person, not behind a cell or anywhere, right here.
Just right, yes, so. Cause me say, months it take me to believe say it is a real is a really him.
I know I could definitely understand it because even you guys linked and everything, and a couple weeks after that, you guys did Freedom Street. Listen, you see, your performance was one that made me laugh. You nearly made the man choke when you said something about Movado.
But Muscle, joke, that was not even planned.
That's what I was gonna ask. It wasn't planned.
No, it never planned because me go up on the stage kind of pissed because remember me miss my set, I miss my slot, like miss my performance because when we did the round at the back, I wait everybody and then bodyguard. I was assigned to a bodyguard. Everybody assigned to a bodyguard. So like everybody left. Them never tell me say them did I leave. Right, like I don't know, them pull off a style and left. So I was there thinking, probably everybody gonna do something and them soon come back. Cause nobody said to me, say I read my bodyguard. Say, say I they ready for now. So tell Sheba say she's supposed to forward. When me hurry up for leave, when me hear my name a call on the stage, I'm like, what? Why? What? So nobody not ready my security and say whatever ready so we can prepare and whatever. Everybody just sneaky gone. So what kind of move this? Like me just left out there. So me say anyway we did that fight. I got through with the police them and everything. Come I say listen, the man I call me name on the stage and I literally hear because my slot was playing right there where me if you forward and then it take a little minute, like about 20 minutes afterward to get through the whole security, everything for reach. And then when we reach on stage, it's like they're saying, you don't pass, so that's just it. I mean, say, what Father God, what this? Me up on the stage, like literally under the stage, New Year come catch me right there, them celebrate like I was standing up right on the stage. And I say, look there, me supposed to perform in a 2024. I'm still the of your whole year. I'm again for profile. 2024 go with my little piece. Father God, this unfair bad. Like 1 year, but there, so can New Year me reaching up. Woo, take out my son. Nice clean son. Stay for first born. Yeah.
That's like funny, guy. So then how did you end up getting on the stage then?
I want to say somebody pinch Addy and tell him say Sheba, So when him come across when them done sing the whole Happy New Year and the excitement and something, and him come and say Sheba, what you do so? And me I said, the police then hold me up. And him said, all right, give me a little minute. And him think him go talk and tell him, say, yo, put
Fix
in
up.
back my something and whatever. And it works out so me say, God is so good. So all of the other performances, them were gone at 24. Me start off 25. And the thing is, I write after Ima Spice too. So me I think to myself, say, shoot. Right now, remember say Ima Spice are the biggest thing up there right now. When me can do, because you understand me not when me I got can do right this so.
Yeah.
Cause him and Spice gone, him and everybody else gone, and me and him now. And Spice will be like the bigger act. So when me I got can do for tap the bigger act, look at me. Right? And it's so said that God said 2025 you did for coming and you never did for then at 2024. And we did that segment.
Yeah.
And then because him and Spice had already performed now, so me drop in the part where say, you know, him and Spice thing a friend something and your auntie a liar. So it just work out all it work out. That's why me tell us prayer is my new what? Prayer is my
Weapon.
new weapon, exactly. And when we come at the part then now, I say, I one out of them two man I'm gonna say, you know. Is either me I go choose the gully god or the young lad. But I one out of the two I go say. I may say, you know, say me I go choose the gully god because of them have the longest reign. The longest reign of beef in a dance hall, and the gully god was more from theme era. So I say, all right then. That's what the young lad and choose the gully god. And I may say it, and it just worked.
You could see that he did not. You could see there was no way he knew you were going to say this because he couldn't even finish his lyrics. It was like, what did you say?
Because we never rehearsed that.
Yeah.
Remember, we have rehearsals and everything. That wasn't a part of nothing. So him never did expect, him never did think, him just did that thing we got according to all the rehearsal, go with the pan tracker or whatever. I mean, just said, no, so I mean, if you come with that element of surprise, big 2025 just roll in and everybody gone and Spice had the biggest thing as female, right? Not, okay, you know, other big acts came on, but Spice was the biggest act for him as female. When me that could do, when me could have do,
Yeah.
and me pray, right? They say, you know, in a 2024, when a 2025, you know, I say, me look a prayer, you know, when the new year drop in, say, me look a mantra and everything. So God did got me, man. God
Right
did got
there.
me.
That was, and your whole attitude, because I was even telling Enhance, your voice alone makes me laugh. Your voice is so fun. Your attitude,
tell
your
me that
voice,
too.
everything about you.
You tell me that for real. You're not cap. Him
It's
tell me
just
that
so
for sure.
funny, guy. Just so funny, crazy there. Everybody's doing their thing. You made him almost die and say, did you end up seeing Popcorn that night there?
Yeah, man. Yeah, because as I told you, so we did the run at the waiting area. But Popcorn did that one other section. But I think, did I say Popcorn or not? Let me see him, but we never interact.
Okay, so you guys
Yeah.
didn't really get to link and say, yo,
No,
what's
because
good?
them the one section, everybody have them own different section. So Papi was at his section, me, they are my section, everybody else, they are them little section. So even though me see Papi, the ladies them was one section with themselves. So me interact with the ladies them and stuff. But like Papi and the other male artists, them they are one whole different part. So me never interact, me never get to interact with them. Me see them on the stage like everybody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though we know them they're on the VIP era, nobody never get to really say hi or hello to nobody.
Plus, there's a lot going on. It's New Year's Eve, Freedom Street. There's so much going
The
on.
biggest event for the whole 2024.
Crazy.
in
And you got to
Jamaica.
start off your year there.
Yes, me thank God. So me know me 2025, did I God bless.
Definitely. We see right now Cartel globally right now. He's like a phenomenon right now. Globally. He's probably in France right now performing as we're recording right now. How come we haven't seen you on any other show outside of Freedom Street with Cartel?
May I be honest with you, you know. Because me telling you about my mouth. You have to ask him. You have to ask him. Because the last time I talked to him was when I was here. Before me go home back and, you know, much him say, you know, kind of married now and whatever. So I don't know if because I tell him, so that's the direction me are going on. I'm not sure if that or what happened or because me tell him, so I'm not really interested in the music no more like that or whatever. So me can't tell you what. So anytime you catch him and you hold him, ask him. People me doesn't know neither. me doesn't know. Me I ask myself the same question, but whatever it is, I only him want know, cause me never have it as me and him have no problem or we have no beef or nothing. But I just tell him to listen. Me married now and I don't know if he want me just focus on that part of life there. I'm not sure. I can't speak for him. I cannot speak for him. I just can't tell you from my perspective what I'm thinking.
Okay.
So I'm not sure.
Because you said you did your big thing. I've seen you on the show. Your part was a highlight. Everybody that talked about Freedom Street, Sprice, Sheba, Jamal, there was a couple of them that were highlights. So I figured, like, okay, you guys will probably pop up. I know sometimes it's a visa thing where, okay, you can't go States, so you might not. But again, it was just a question. I'm pretty sure other people have that question in their mind. How come we didn't see Sheba again?
Yeah, people ask me it all the time. And me I tell them the truth. And me not gonna lie. Me I ask myself the same thing too, cause me just not know like Uno either. I'm not sure what the problem is. As me say, you'd have to ask him or he would have to talk for himself why that was. But in from my side, me not know either. Just me I guess I spell like everybody else. Me really not know. Like seriously don't know.
Because you told him you're not 100% interested in music, but is that how you feel sitting here right now, that you're still not interested, or you got back a spark since being on the stage again? How do you feel about music?
No, interested in music meaning recording, but not like go to the shows and stuff. Yeah, and that's, remember shows are money, you know. And when me tell you about me and the money too. So, me interested in the shows. Very much interested in the shows, just not to go back in the booth and go to the whole, you know, all of that. I haven't been interested because I lose interest in music a couple of years ago because of the whole politics and music and prejudice and colorism and all of that. And when it come on to the female aspect and the unfair treatment we get, that's why. But at present now, you have a couple producers stress me, like they want me come back in the boot bad. And then as I see how me and my son rap, me talk to him about it and I ask him how he feel about it, and him say like, that would have been that good for him, like him not have a problem. And me always had the problem for me. Me when me I think him would have be the problem, like not be the problem, I think him would have a problem. When me on get realize say, me was the problem for me.
You're your own worst enemy sometimes.
Yeah, because me I say, you know, probably if I come back in the music, my son I go feel away because his mother, you know, this and you know, the little boy them I go on over me. Come in look tree bad same way. You don't know what I'm saying. So me did always think for him or think of what him would have see or how him would have feel. And when him look at me I say, mommy, me not have a problem. Look pan all the old man, them Debbie Burp and them people, them big woman. Him not say old man. Them big woman, they were time to they say enough. Him say, mommy, you talk about you can't do this, man.
Yeah.
You can't do it. So he kind of give me a little boost to say, okay, then I think I might go back in the studio. Just a double panic. It's not a sure thing.
Not a sure thing. All right. Since I told it to his face, I gotta say it to your face now. Your son is the only person I've ever threatened on this podcast. And I'm going to tell you why.
Yes, tell me why.
I said, yo, you see that mother song that you just put on your EP? If I do not see you and Sheba individuals, don't come back here. I don't want to see you back. Do not come back here. Because I know acting is your thing. You like to act. This song is perfect. Okay, we wanted a collaboration a long time. We wanted, didn't get it yet. You can't have a mother song, bro, and Sheba's not in the video. I basically see the video in my mind already.
All right. The thing is, why? Because in the do a mother song before, you know. Me feel me feel another get a youth with another proud mother. But a lot of people saying why I never use me in the video. Now I understand why I'm not use me in the mama videos that he's doing, and I don't have a problem. I kind of agree because, all right, to be honest with you, really, really honest, and people can't say it if they're not biased. Me don't look like his mother. No. So he wants somebody with a more fit the role, like just like in the mama song we do before, him have a elderly woman who look like she have a son. When me and him walk, people think I'm a man. People don't. Them think I'm a man. Them think my son I'm a man.
Yeah. So worse at how you guys act and everything, I could understand why people think that.
Well, you just see how you act for yourself. So me kiddish with him, and sometimes him overprotective of me. So I don't know if I that give off the vibe. So me not have a problem with me not being in a mother song, because me don't really fit the image of his mom.
As I said, I threatened him to his face.
Yeah, man.
I told you the threat, and I'm standing on that. I don't care. I don't care what you guys have. You don't look like. You don't.
Double down panic.
I'm gonna threaten you too. If I don't see you in the video, don't come back here.
But me can't show you somebody back and say me, and you're not gonna know. You're not gonna know if I'm yes or no.
Listen. Do not come back here. If you guys don't get the people want it, I could understand before, okay, where you just grew up. But he's at a level now where the people want it. You understand? Yeah. Give the people what they want. If I do not see you in that video, do not come back here.
Yeah, I got see me. Remember, say me not in the video, no, me can't make him put up all a picture,
See, okay, so you're ramping now. You know what Sheba, you know what I mean, man. You know what, no. If you're not acting and a part of that video, the two of you guys do not come back here.
No, man, I got in the video, man.
Make sure
in the video. As I say, I mean, I really want to do the cameo appearance. Because at the same time, I don't really want to seem like I'm overshadowing him. That's why most time events them and some not go come. I don't want to seem like me I cloud him. Because you have some people. All right, you have people in the business, Remember, I'm just there being of support, like a mother, but people think me mama boy I'm up. Mamas. You understand? So I don't want him get that whole image there. I don't want people have that image there. So like me give him space. So if he do something and he might do it on an artistic level, even if it have something to do with me, like me not really too want enough up in him thing. Me just want them you get what I'm saying?
I got one for you then. If he personally asks you and he says, listen, this is what we're working with, this is what I want to do, are you going to be in the visuals?
Yeah, no, if him ask me, I don't have a problem. If my management don't have a problem, which, as I said, them not have a problem, but most likely me have the problem.
Again, you said you're your own biggest enemy sometimes.
That is it. Yeah, so just like it with the collab them been asked me, and guess who I shy away from it?
Clearly you.
Exactly. But if them ask me for come on a stage show where I get the live money, me I did it.
Listen, I can't deal with you,
You can't deal with me.
No, I cannot deal with you. Listen.
Sure, you can't deal with me.
As I said.
But dealable with.
This is more of a catch-up. I got one more for you. You have a name that I've heard people call you a long time. Shishu. All right?
Oh, I did start that name there.
Okay. What does that mean? What does that name mean?
All right, let me. I did give me that name there. People, I did give me the name Shishu, and when him start calling me Shishu, people just gravitate to it. No, there was a man in Trinidad named Ishu. That man is an Indian man, like an Indian man, like a money Indian man, and the man did kind of love me off. So, because the man did love me off and all of this, like, I think that man didn't even get me a house in Trinidad where I know me no look on it. I don't even know what I'm to the house. Me never step foot in it yet. So because the man they love me off and used to do everything for me, so I did just call me Shishu, because the man named Ishu, I mean Sheba, so I'm just put we name together. I say Shishu. So that's how the name come about.
Boss, we always hear it, but I'm trying to figure out what the hell does this name mean?
Indian man really love me off, Trinidad man. The man did love me off. Me, I tell you, he used to send me beer money and beer things, and every time he asked that, it was all about Sheba Ray. So yeah. They say, you're a man, that man, yeah, Shishu. Yeah, Sheba from today, yeah, Shishu.
Listen, you are so well. It's always a vibe whenever I sit down with you, because again, if we want to go pasa, you will go pasa. If we want to hold a good reason, we'll hold a good reason. If we want to get serious, we'll get serious. And that's what I love about your personality. As I said, just your voice alone, as I hear your voice, I want to laugh. Your voice is so funny.
Actually, that's why when you're sad and you're feeling down and you're feeling lonely, you know, if you make Kababa grow up on my phone, you have to call me.
She did cuss me. She gave me the number. I didn't call her. Okay, you got me. You got me.
You
You
have
got
to
me.
call me. Because you don't want to call me and no more sada again.
Do I have to have money if I call?
No.
It will be a bonus, though?
No, man. When you call, you know, it's free. And if me call.
Oh, okay. So when I see Sheba's number, don't answer if you don't have no money.
Exactly.
You're a different character, Sheba. Listen,
Man.
as you're saying, your producers are bugging you. Hopefully, you get back into the business because there's a space for you. Obviously, you're not 20 like these girls here and those things there, but there's a space in the business for you. Worse it, you have songs already. All you got to do is build upon that. Find your lane and move forward. We're looking for you. We love your vibe, your energy, what you bring to the table.
Well, yeah, as I say, I think about it because I might not have age like them, but I certainly have the body like them. So, and I like them can't outrun me in the part there.
They can't outbody you.
Yeah, them can't outbody, well, them can't out BBL me because
All right.
because that's not really my forte, right? That's the whole BBA thing. But when I put on my clothes and I step out, you don't know me is an old grown woman with 3 grown kids.
Crazy.
You would never know.
Yeah.
Belly na no mark, belly flat same way. Well, not currently, cause something sold me up in Canada.
If you even see what she's talking about, it's a living joke. Don't follow Sheba. You know
No,
that.
a belly for me. Me not used to it. It new to me.
It's, as I said, it's a living joke what she's trying to show people. She asked me when I seen her, do I look like I put on weight? I said, what? Where? How? No, none at all.
In then I see him never have any glasses that time.
I always have on my glasses. No.
Okay.
You're just being a woman, man. Like, come on.
Well, no, I'm like the new way still can give me a little bounce, you know. I'm have a little round up round at the back and something. I don't want to lose the weight, but the belly way I come with it, I nah go deal with that.
Yeah,
I nah deal with that, but the little round thing, even when I go up on my life, they must say, well, she but my money flat like wall and now you curve out, race.
I think easy.
Yeah, so the body did already can go in at the young girl them lead. But as I say, I think I just need to get back my confidence. I need to get back my confidence and stop being so lazy where music is concerned, because I think I'm very lazy where music is concerned because I'm not interested.
Yeah. Hopefully that changes because you have a lot to offer, and we'll see what happens moving forward.
Yeah, and if that not work out, me can always do like me look fantasy job.
Fantasy job? What do you mean by that?
My fantasy job is to be a go-go.
What? 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 Hold on. Were you the one that told me a story about... Did you try to be a go-go before?
No, me never try. Me just got the go-go club, go out dance the go-go them and always I get
take
money.
the money, yes. Sheba, I cannot deal with you, boss. I can't. Listen, leave some contact info where these people could check you out.
All right.
Leave it right now if there's anything you want to say. Anybody you want to big up right now, the floor is yours before we get out of here.
All right, let me go in my secretary voice because you know I got that.
Yes.
So if y'all want to follow me, you can follow me at I Am Sheba Music on Instagram. For TikTok, it's Gaza Sheba. For Facebook, it's Gaza Sheba Music or Sheba the Diva because I have 2 pages. What else now? Email wise, it's gazasheba@gmail.com. So you can always email me for any collabs, any business, anything. You always get me through the emails, even if you not get me through social media. And right now, Moan, big up first of all you, Muscle. Big you up and thank you for having me a second time.
Thank you.
You understand? Moan, big up my son. For make me proud, all of the heartache, all of the pain, everything. Boy, I thank God me did struggle with him because see there. Come to fruition. So big up my son, man. Big up him team. I have a lovely team. I love him team. Like me wish me did have a team like this somewhere possible. Because him team is a very good team. So big them up. Big up Bugsy Entertainment from Seagull Music. You don't know do the do. I'm supposed to reach out with some food for me. So me I big him up from now. Come on, I'm a good food them.
Yeah.
Big him up and big up. Yeah, big up yourself, my husband. Me have to big him up because he might feed me and give me that belly and me I come with.
His belly.
So, big up yourself. Oh, me I miss. Big up my other 2 kids, them. Because them always say me left them out. So, DeAndre Tishura, big up yourself. Mommy love you. You don't know. Kenny know him close to my heart. And the producer them, we wanna stress me to come back in the music. My cash app is Sheba the Diva. My cash app is Sheba the Diva. And then just text me, DM me if you don't want the Zelle. Yeah. So once the money goes so, I'm there in the studio.
Listen, okay, talking about studio, I got to big up Pablo, Soul Survivor, because I know that's
yes,
where you guys are going to
Pablo.
go cut some dubs and stuff.
Yes,
And
when we
again,
leave here,
money
yes.
right there on spot. Cut the dubs, everything is good. So big up Pablo, Soul Survivor for definitely having you guys. Probably
Yeah,
today or
man.
tomorrow, you guys are going to be cutting up there.
Me have to big him up because the last time I come here, boy, him get some ton with a dub for me. But from I come here, me I call him and him not answer. Pablo, you get the full length of my tongue when me see you. Just to make you know.
Big up Pablo. Big up Seagull Entertainment again, too, for making this happen. They connected the dots and made this happen. Thank you so very much for Sheba. You, as I said, your energy, your vibe, how you just express it, people love it. And we've seen that, especially when you did those slew of interviews end of last year. Everybody was watching them.
Yes, thank you. And big up everybody to me. I have to big up all of the fans that support me right throughout the years. Whether something not go on for me, nothing not go on for me, like on a lie, and just keep me up there. Big up the people that me come in on my DM, come pray for me. Cause you have some people send prayers in on my DM for me and my son, you know.
So it's
like,
not just bad mind that their people
no,
are bad
man,
mind. They send
no.
good things too.
Good people come like them send scriptures, them we send prayer, them we tell me say them not stop pray for me, them not stop pray for my son, them hope him get blessing, pantapa blessing. So I want big up all of them people there. I want big on up. Big up everybody. And Muscle, this is the second away and much more.
Definitely.
Hopefully next time I come back, I have a song, a buzz and I go on and you don't know, money a flow, I can pack it just something. Yo! But I say, hold this, I buy your dinner.
I'm going to look out for it because your energy is next to none. Let me give you an outro and get you out of here. All right, Sheba?
Okay.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Oh.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.